Welcome to our step-by-step guide to reaching your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. But before we dive into the tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss any of our insightful videos. Now buckle up and let's embark on your exciting journey to 1K subscribers. Want to know how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? Well, you're in the right place. The journey to 1,000 subscribers begins with a single click, and that click is more likely to happen if you're creating high-quality content. It's not just about being interesting or entertaining, but also about being relevant and engaging. Think about what your viewers want to see, what they need, and how you can deliver that to them in a unique and captivating way. Don't just follow the trends, set them. Be a beacon in the vast sea of YouTube content. But creating great content is only half the battle. You also need to be consistent. Posting regularly keeps your channel fresh and gives your viewers something to look forward to. It's like having a standing appointment with your audience. Remember, quality and consistency are key to attracting and retaining subscribers. Now you've got some great content, but are people finding it? That's where optimization comes in. Let's dive into the nuts and bolts of making your channel more discoverable. Think of your YouTube channel as a bustling city, and SEO, or search engine optimization, as the well-placed signs that guide people to their destination. Your video titles, descriptions, and tags are these signs. They need to be clear, relevant, and keyword-rich. This means including phrases that your audience is likely to search for. But it's not just about words, it's about visuals too. Your thumbnails are the billboards of your channel city. They need to be eye-catching, intriguing, and a true representation of what your video is about. Remember, YouTube is the world's second-largest search engine, right after Google. So, use SEO to your advantage. Make your channel a city that's easy to navigate and people will keep coming back. Don't underestimate the power of SEO. It's one of the best ways to get your videos in front of the right audience. You've got quality content and your channel is optimized. What's next? Building a community. Now this isn't just about amassing followers, it's about creating a group of engaged viewers who interact with your content and with each other. So how do you do this? Firstly, be proactive in responding to comments. Your viewers will appreciate the interaction and it will encourage others to join the conversation. Secondly, don't be shy about asking for feedback. This shows that you value your viewers' opinions and it can help you improve your content. Also, gently remind your viewers to like, share, and subscribe. This not only boosts your visibility but also makes your viewers feel like they're part of something. It's a win-win. Remember, building a community takes time. It's not about overnight success, but consistent effort and genuine engagement. These are the people who will help your channel grow. Building a community takes time, but it's worth it.